Hello, welcome to another 2-minute tip. In this tip, I'm going to look at the before and after options within the Develop module of Lightroom. And I'll show you a few things you probably didn't know it could do. Hello, welcome to In Studio. I'm Ian Butterfield. In a previous video cast, I showed you the editing on this particular image. Now I want to just go through some of the functions of the before and after so we can see the difference between how the image was before editing and afterwards. To see a before and after image, we hit the slash key. That's the top left to bottom right key. And that will toggle between, by default, the image when you imported it and the current state that you have highlighted in the history. So I'm right at the top here on my latest step, so I'm toggling between effectively the import here and the current state. Now it might not be the import state that I want to compare against, so it's easy to change the state in the history that I want to look at. And the way we do that is we look down our history, and I might decide that the one I want to check about is the image before I started playing with the graduated filters. So I can right click on the step that says Vibrance, and I have the option to copy history step to before. So I do that. Now, when I hit the slash key, we toggle not between the imported state and the current state, but the current state and the one that's labeled up as Vibrance. So just to recap on there, the shortcut key for before and after is the slash key, top left to bottom right. And you can go down the history, right click on a particular stage and set that as the before for the before and after display. I hope you found those 2 tips useful. I'll see you in the next 2-minute tip.